So I'm teaching Caleb how to machine a rotor, and then tell him about the blades. Angel was cutting the rotor, and we just left him on there because he was just trying to get material for a project. But they were spanked after all day of machining. And I told Caleb, if you flip these blades, you can put a new one on, or just flip the old one to see if there's any good surfaces left.
You could use this in 12 different ways, because each side of the point on both sides of the blade can be used.
So 12 different cuts?
12 different cuts.
I thought it was 24, but I forget. But 12. So once you do one, you can turn it. Mm-hmm. So that's 3, right? And then turn it upside down, that would be 6. And then do the other one to 12. Yep. So 12 different cuts out of one blade. Or 12 different cutting surfaces out of one blade. But the old blade left a horrible micro finish, and I said, okay, well, put a new blade on there, or look at the old blade and find a good surface, and he did. You can actually see how smooth that micro finish is now. On both sides. You can actually just feel the texture with your finger. And if I didn't show him, he probably wouldn't have known the difference.
Well, I mean, I saw that it had grooves in it, but I didn't know why.
Yeah, it was very high